welcome to Easy Electronics. Today in this video we'll be seeing the tips to prepare formula revision notes effectively. So what is the importance of preparing formula revision notes? Whether it is your competitive examination or your semester examination, you should always try to make good and effective formula revision notes. Why? Because consider that there is only one day left before your exam, or it is just one night before your exam, and you cannot start studying from your textbooks. Or even if you start studying from your textbook, that is from the beginning, if you don't remember anything which you studied in the beginning, there are high chances that you may lose your confidence. So you should always try to make quick and easily revisable or easy understandable formula revision. In this video we are going to see how to make quick, easily revisable and fast understandable formula revision notes in an effective way. Okay, because for competitive examination, what it really matters is most of the times concept and formulas. So we are going to see some tips to prepare formula revision notes effectively. The first tip is that when you're preparing a formula revision note for an entire subject, you should be making a note which is very short and brief, and it should not exceed maximum 5 pages. Okay, so you should write only the relevant things and the most important things for your exam. You may study a lot of equations and formulas in the subject, but you cannot write all those in your formula revision note, because this is meant for your end time preparation, or just before you enter the exam hall you just want to go through the subject. So you don't have to write all the equations and all the sentences. And also when you're preparing formula revision notes, you should not write in paragraphs. You should just mention the relations or the equations in words. Okay, so maximum up to 5 pages you can prepare the formula revision note when preparing for an entire subject. The second tip is that when you're preparing formula revision notes or equations, you cannot include all the equations which you study. For example, an equation can have its various modifications. Its sub equations will be there. You don't need to include all those in your formula revision note, because your aim is to prepare a precise, quick, revisable note just to refresh your mind, not to confuse your brain. Okay, so you should include only the most important equations. Don't include all the modified versions of the equations which you may study by applying various parameters. Okay, so no need to include all those equations, only the most important ones. The next tip is that when you are studying, for example, when you study network analysis, there is a lot of relations between various variables. For example, in Ohm's law, we can have V equal to IR. So there are various relations between V and I, V and R likewise. So while mentioning these important relations, you don't need to write these relations in words. You can make use of symbols. Okay, so I've just given some of the images in which you have depicted the relations between various variables in using symbols. Okay, because for competitive examination, a lot of questions can come connecting these variable relations and how the change of one variable affect the other. So these are also very important, but while making the note you don't need to write sentences. You can make use of symbols. That is the next tip. Next tip is that when you're studying a subject, there will be various topics which are related to each other. So when preparing notes or equations of these related topics or related equations, you have to form, that is, you have to write all these things together in one place, and you can most of the time make use of the tree structures or the arrows to indicate their relations. Okay, so when you are writing the related things, you should always try to write them together, and you can make use of the tree structures. Okay, so that is the next tip. The next tip is that when you are preparing formula revision notes, it should be neat and attractive, and it should not be crowded and clumsy, because when you are going for an end-time preparation, it should be attractive. The next tip is that you can give boxes to the most important and most commonly asked equations and formulas. Okay, so that when you are giving boxes to these formulas, you will get to know that they are the most important ones among the written formulas. Okay, so you can go through those boxes which you have given very fastly just before the exam also. So it will be very easy to revise. The next tip is that you should not make any errors or corrections in your formula revision notes, because these are meant for the very important revision purpose just before your exam most probably. So when you're going to revise these things, you cannot study something wrong, or just before you enter the examination hall you cannot study a wrong equation or a relation. Okay, so when you're preparing formula revision notes, always double check your formulas before writing and making the notes. Okay. The last tip is that these formula revision notes which you make should be very useful, which should be very important in your life. It is not just meant for your one exam or any one competitive exam. It is actually an asset for your life, because it is something which you study as your course and you are making a brief out of your entire course or entire subject. So even if you make a note of it, you should always try to take pictures and you should store it in some place so that you cannot lose. So these are some tips which you can use while making formula revision notes. As I'm saying it once again, these are very important for any competitive examination or your semester examination or for your life, because you are briefing an entire subject as 3, 4 or 5 pages. It will be very useful for you if you prepare one for all your core subjects. Okay. So I really hope that you found the video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up and also share it with all your friends who's preparing for any competitive examination or semester examination or for any exam for that matter. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.